Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses need ERP and accounting tools that are flexible, integrated, and easy to scale. Odoo is an all-in-one platform built for that. Let's break it down. Odoo combines accounting, inventory, sales, CRM, and HR in one modular system. Its automation, reporting, and seamless integrations help teams manage operations, track finances, and improve efficiency without juggling multiple tools. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, Odoo's modular setup lets you expand features as needed while keeping everything connected. Odoo helps businesses streamline operations, simplify accounting, and stay in control of growth. If you want an all-in-one ERP and accounting solution in 2025, Odoo delivers flexibility, automation, and full business visibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.